You tired out there, big guy?
The Wig Wag crossing signal for the Nevada Northern Railway Museum is almost complete. Not only does it have to look great, but it also has to function in order to keep visitors from crossing the tracks when a train comes by.
At least 2 wires on one side and one on the other.
Mark is on his way. He's one of our most important clients, so I hope he's pleased with our work.
Rick,
Hey,
Mark's here.
Hey, Rick.
hey, Mark, how you been?
Great. Yourself?
Good. So what you here for?
The fulfillment of a 10-year dream. I'm here at Rick's today to pick up a set of very rare Wig Wag train crossing signals that Rick and his crew have restored for me. They had been sitting outside in the weather for 40 years. I saw them 10 years ago and I thought, I have to get those restored someday.
Okay, it's over here.
All right.
Here, why don't you stand right here?
Alrighty, being able to see these back in perfect condition and them actually working will be just unbelievable. I'm ready to see it. Let's see it.
This is a bad boy. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God! Unbelievable!
That was bad.
Oh my God! Unbelievable! God, it is absolutely beyond my wildest dreams. I am stunned. I basically dropped off scrap iron to Rick, and he turned this scrap iron into an art piece. I've been dreaming of this moment for a decade, and Rick, he didn't knock it out of the park, he knocked it out of the solar system.
It took every one of my guys. Dave refabricated that whole banner. It's totally hand-built. The pipe, the lenses on the front, the Western Railroad Supply logo on there, we polished that all out, so it's popped. We wanted to sort of look at it. And I decided to do the harps in black and then have these poles in white. These are reflective. It's just going to stand out like a sore thumb. This is where all the work takes place, is for these things working. If you remember, the inside of this thing was
A rat's nest?
left alone for too many years. It was just, wires were worn out, glass insulators around all the switches just destroyed. You want to see what it looks like on the inside?
Yes.
Here we go. There's the inside.
Oh my God, Rick!
We just went nuts. We just polished every nut and bolt out. Man, it's all brass. I want to be able to see it. This thing here is something like I'd like to have on my desk.
Oh, I can see that,
It's so cool. It's got a little handle here. You unwire it, pull it out. They fixed it. Boom, put it back in.
This is the brain of the signals.
Yep.
If you don't have that, you don't have signals.
No.
All right, the $64,000 question.
Yeah.
Do they work?
Give me a second. Let me see if I can wire something up for you.
I've been waiting 10 years, Rick. 10 years. Let's see it.
All right, here we go.
Oh, my God. Utterly incredible. Every train leaving the East Ely Depot will be going past these signals, and these signals will once again do what their designers intended, protect a rail crossing.
So they're going to live again.
They're going to live again. And that's what we do.
I'm really happy.
Oh, God.
I'm glad I could be part of this. Let's go in the office. We'll finish the paperwork.
Okay, cool.
And, get you on your way. Figure out how we get that thing up to you.
You don't deliver?